You might think of Shiba Inu as just another meme coin, but what started as a joke has quickly evolved into a multi-billion-dollar phenomenon that's captured the attention of millions. How did this happen? What makes Shiba Inu different? And is it really possible for it to hit 1 penny or even a dollar? In this video, we're diving deep into the facts, no rumors or hype. We'll break down everything you need to know so you can make informed decisions. Welcome to Whiteboard Crypto, the place where we simplify the complex world of cryptocurrency using analogies, stories, and examples that are easy to understand. Make sure to stick around until the end because we'll reveal some surprising details that could change the way you think about crypto. Before we dive deeper, let's get something straight. Do you know the difference between a coin and a token? It's important, and here's why. A coin runs on its own blockchain, like Ethereum or Dogecoin. A token, on the other hand, operates on an existing blockchain, borrowing its technology without setting up its own. Shiba Inu. It's a token, not a coin. It runs on Ethereum's blockchain, which means it doesn't have its own network. This is a key distinction because while Dogecoin has its own blockchain, Shiba Inu leverages Ethereum's advanced features, like smart contracts. Why does this matter? We're about to get into that. So, why is Shiba Inu often referred to as the Dogecoin killer? Well, Dogecoin was originally created as a parody to poke fun at Bitcoin. It's been around for years, but it lacks some of the technological upgrades of newer projects, specifically smart contracts. With Shiba Inu being built on Ethereum, it can use smart contracts, opening up possibilities Dogecoin simply can't touch. Think about lending, trading, and decentralized finance, DeFi apps, none of which Dogecoin supports. That's a big deal, and one of the reasons people believe Shiba Inu could outshine Dogecoin in the future. Here's where things get interesting. Shiba Inu began as an experiment in community governance back in August 2020. The creator, known only as Ryoshi, wanted to see how much influence a community could have over a project. The token launched on Uniswap, allowing anyone to buy Shiba Inu using Ethereum. And then came Elon Musk. In March 2021, a single tweet from Musk about getting a Shiba Inu dog sent the token's price soaring by 300%. But there's another twist. Half of all Shiba Inu tokens were sent to Vitalik Buterin, the co-founder of Ethereum. What was the reason behind that? And how did it impact the price? Let's break it down. Here's the kicker. Vitalik didn't keep the tokens. He sold a portion for charity and burned the rest, over $6.7 billion worth. Burning tokens means sending them to a wallet no one can access, effectively reducing the total supply. This bold move significantly impacted Shiba Inu's value, and it's part of what keeps the community buzzing. Shiba Inu isn't just a token, it's a whole ecosystem. ShibaSwap, the decentralized exchange for Shiba Inu, rewards users for providing liquidity. The process is cleverly named digging, when you contribute tokens to the liquidity pool, and burying, when you lock them up for additional rewards. You even earn Bones, the governance token for ShibaSwap, allowing holders to vote on future changes. And yes, you can bury these bones too, but that's another layer we'll explore in a future video. It's a complex yet fascinating world, and understanding it could give you an edge. Let's tackle the big question. Can Shiba Inu hit 1 cent or even a dollar? While it's an exciting thought, reaching 1 cent would mean a market cap of $4 trillion, more than the entire crypto market combined. Reaching a dollar? That would put Shiba Inu's market cap at an astronomical $400 trillion. So, is it possible? Maybe, but realistic? We'll let you decide. Did you know that when a coin hits an all-time high, everyone holding it is technically in profit? It sounds great, but it also means the temptation to sell is higher. Hitting new all-time highs frequently, like Shiba Inu has done recently, is rare in the crypto world. So, if you're planning to invest, make sure you're doing it for the right reasons. One last tip. Don't get fooled by low prices. Just because a token is fractions of a penny doesn't mean it has more room to grow than a higher-priced asset. The percentage increase needed to double your investment is the same, no matter the starting price. If you found this deep dive into Algorand insightful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto content. share it with a friend who could benefit from this. Before you go, don't miss our next video. Check out the links on the screen and subscribe to the channel for the latest updates in crypto, and join the Telegram channel.